everyone, welcome to Skill Academy. Do you want to do a team bonding activity with your team when everyone is working from a virtual office? By the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you a few team bonding activities which will help you to build your team morale. Hello everyone, my name is Mansi and I am your host and trainer for today. If you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget the new video comes every Wednesday. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 team activities which will help you to break the monotonous working at home. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up and let's get to it. So, the first activity which I would like to recommend is Scavenger Hunt. I think all of you have done this kind of activity while doing a classroom training, but we can also do it virtually. I have actually tried and tested it doing it virtually. So we have given our audience the list of 10 items and we have given them a time limit of 3 minutes. So there was a timer placed on the presentation. These items were the daily use items at home. Each and everyone started finding the item and in the end we declared the winner. It was a really fun activity. It will also help your team to be very active, to get up from their bed, to get up from their chair and start finding out the items in their own house. Moving on to the second activity. Second activity can be done with the help of an application. You can open it on a browser also and it is known as Kahoot. K-H-O-O-T. You can see the icon on the screen. This is an application, a very nice application I would say. This is an application on which you can play a quiz. The organizer can design this quiz. It can be a very funny quiz, a Bollywood quiz, a tech quiz. It could be anything which you want to design. And it has a very nice display, a colorful display. And it is actually the kind of fastest finger first. So whosoever chooses the right option will be the winner. Very fun quiz. So we normally do quizzes in our classroom activities and we ask questions from the participants, but virtually it is even more interesting. And believe me, you will like this application so much that you would like to adapt this in your classroom trainings also. Now moving on to the third activity. The third activity is a very fun activity and it will help you to know your team better. Even the participants will be able to know each other better. The name of the activity is Guess Who? So in this activity, you can, before the final event, before the final presentation, you can ask the participants to share their baby pictures. And during the activity, you can place them in a presentation and one by one you can bring it up and ask the team members, whosoever is participating, to guess the picture. This is a very fun activity and sometimes it works as an icebreaker also. Activity number 4. This is an activity which along with fun require a lot of focus, a lot of active listening, and I have named this activity as Build Your Story. In this activity, as an organizer, you can start building a story and then it moves one by one to the other participants. So suppose you start with the story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Ram who used to live in mountains. And the place where you ended. So you ended at mountain. Now the second person will pick up that word and create the next line of that story. So in the end, you will be able to make a very nice and cute story. It is a very fun game and it requires a lot of creativity also. You will also know about the creativity of your team, the hidden creativity which they have. And now moving on to the last activity. Activity number 5. The activity number 5 is a very commonly played activity and this activity can be played at home, with our family, with our friends or at our work. And during lockdown, we are not only doing virtual meetings with our office colleagues, we are also meeting our family and friends virtually. So we can do this activity anywhere on any platform. So the name of the activity is Tambola, a very famous activity, and Tambola is present online also. So you can go online, find out Tambola and play it with your team. A very fun activity. This is also the tried and tested activity. We have conducted this in one of the event and people earned huge amount of prizes. So that's it from my side. If you like the video, please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the video and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates. And I'm sure that You might also have few activities which you are conducting right now with your teams. So why don't you share them in the comment box below? And please share this video with everyone you know, so that it can reach to maximum people. The more people see it, the better we will have team building, connectivity, team bonding, productivity, both professionally and personally. So that was it from my side. Thank you for watching Skill Academy. Bye bye.